Good morning, guys. I just arrived here at Davao International Airport and I'm about to check in my luggage for my flight to Manila. I'm a little bit sad because I just left my dog. I'm checking in my luggage right now.
Valid ID, claim stub sa bagahe, bound from Manila, gate 7 ma'am.
Okay, thank you. I am now on my way to the plane. I'm gonna miss Davao City. I'll be back in I don't know how many years, but I'll definitely be back. I am now inside the aircraft and we're just waiting for the rest of the passengers to be on board.
At this moment, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will now demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft.
For passengers with onward connecting flights on Cebu Pacific or Cebgo, please proceed to the transfer desk located at the arrival hall.
I am now on my way to claim my bags. And I'm hungry. I'm tired. But yeah, hi Manila! I'm here once again before I leave. I'm happy to be here. I'm still waiting one of my bags. I don't know what's taking it so long. Hindi ko pa rin siya nakikita. I think I'm here for like 40 minutes already. After 1 hour of waiting, guys, I finally got my bags. Like all of my bags. I have to meet the driver of my pickup service. I booked my pickup service sa clock.
One hour later.
I just arrived in my hotel. So I have to check in as well. Checked in. Thank you, Kuya. Opo, ito. Hi, guys! I'm finally in my hotel room. I'm so happy because I'm so tired. I can't wait to sleep and just recharge my energy. But for the meantime, I have ordered my lunch and I just have to wait and eat and I'm gonna sleep. I have also to prepare for tomorrow. I have to prepare all my documents and I have to review the steps because this is my first international travel and I'm all by myself. So I'll just keep you posted. Finally, my food is here and I'm so hungry. So I'm gonna eat. We're gonna eat, guys. I'm gonna have garlic rice and grilled bangus.
Day 2.
Good morning, guys. Time check, it's 8:55 in the morning of September 8th. It's my second day here in Manila and I have to go to the airport at around 10 in the morning today. So, medyo na-late kong mata, na-oversleep. My breakfast is here. I have ordered pancake and bacon. I'll show you. Pancake and bacon. And egg and bacon. And I also have coffee. Nescafe Creamy White. I'm gonna miss this coffee because it is very expensive to get one in the USA. I think Ryan ordered before on Amazon and it cost him around $30 plus shipping fee if I'm not mistaken. So I better enjoy this while I can. Bon appetit! I just received an email from Philippine Airlines and it says that there's changes on my flight. Instead na 3 p.m. ang departure time, it's moved to 7:30 p.m. na. It's a little bit annoying because I have a connecting flight to Minnesota and now I have to change it again and I might stay for a night in San Francisco. So I hope there's no more changes that's gonna happen. I'm checking out right now. You have to go to the reception. I'm here na sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport, Terminal 2, and I'm going to check my bag now. I'll see you in a bit. Before I will proceed to the immigration counter, I have to make sure my documents are complete. Here's my passport and the Philippine departure card, which should be inserted in the first page of my passport, my boarding pass, and my CFO sticker.
A few moments later.
Hi, I am now at my boarding gate at Terminal 2 and I'm at boarding gate 1. So I have to share with you my experience step by step. So upon arrival to the Ninoy Aquino International Airport, I went through inspection before I was allowed to check in my bags. And before I went to the check-in counter, somebody gave me the Philippine departure card. And then after that, I believe they're the Office of Transportation Service, OTS. The inspection, my check bags, as well as my carry-on bag. And after that, I proceeded to the check-in counter. I just waited for my boarding pass and baggage claim stub. Then I went directly to the immigration counter. But before I went to the immigration counter, I had to fill in the information needed for my Philippine departure card. So after that, the immigration security double-checked if my documents are complete, and then I was given permission to wait on queue because there's a very long queue there. So yeah, I had to wait for like probably 10 minutes. And when it's my turn, it was a very easy transaction. I really thought it was a difficult transaction and I really thought there's like questions, but the immigration officer did not ask me any question. He just checked my documents, and then yeah, I was allowed to go to my boarding gate. So But before I was allowed to go to my boarding gate, I had to go through final security check. And I'm telling you guys, in a final security check, you have to remove everything. In my case, I have to remove my earrings, and then my watch, my shoes. What else I have to remove? My AirPods, I have to remove that. And men are asked to remove their belt and any other metal accessories because we have to go through the metal detector scanner. And after that, I'm finally in my boarding gate and I just have to wait for my flight. Boarding time is going to be around 6:30 later. Time check, it's 3:05 in the afternoon. I'm so hungry, so I bought food at Cafe France. I got one sausage croissant and one cafe latte.
3 hours later.
Philippine Airlines just changed our boarding gate from boarding gate 1. We changed it to boarding gate 7. Kuminti lang ako, guys. I left my things at the document check security room. And I just brought my passport and my boarding pass with me. It's actually nice, so I can show you the last security check. Akala niyo last niyo sinabi ko na. May isang last pa, pinaka-last, which is required by the USCIS. Flight, guys, has been changed again for the 4th time. Oh no! Instead of 7:30, we will now leave at 10. So I'm here on queue. Okay, manghatag sila kay Bra. I'm so hungry na. Guys, after 11 hours of waiting dito sa airport, abort na jud ko. And it's 10:10 p.m. Philippine Airlines provided us this headset, a little pillow, and a blanket. Quick update, guys. So we boarded at 10 p.m. and it's already 12 to midnight and we're still here inside the plane. It's still waiting. Also, guys, it's my 14th hour here in Terminal 2. So yeah, this sucks and it's so annoying, but what's my choice? Nothing, so I'll just bear with it. Well, I'm Filipino and I'm resilient, so I don't know how long I can be resilient.
We want to let you know how much we care about your safety. This is inspired by everyone in the country.
I am now going to the immigration so I can claim my baggage. Oh my god! Hi!
Airport.
Yeah, me too.
The next day.
Hi guys! Look who's with me! We are at San Francisco International Airport and it's waiting for a flight to Minneapolis. So, still here with our bags. Well, my bags. and it's just waiting. I'll just update you later. I'm so sleepy. It's what time is it here? What time is it? It's like 12, like
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock in the afternoon in San Francisco, and it's
Hey Siri, what time is it in the Philippines?
It's 3:58 a.m. in Manila, the Philippines.
that's why I'm so sleepy. So I'll probably nap while we're waiting, and I'll just update you later.
Bye.
We are on our way to our boarding gate for our flight to Minneapolis. This is serious. We are now inside the plane, guys, and we'll be in Minneapolis in 5 hours?
4.
4 hours. Oh yeah. I'll see you there. Bye for now. We just arrived here in Minneapolis, and we are going to claim my bags. We are finally here in Minneapolis, and we're ready to leave in a few minutes. We stopped by here at the Holiday, try to get gas.